What's up, breakers in YouTube? Welcome to another card opening video by Sports Cards Fanatics. Coming up next is Bowman's Best Baseball. Looks like we do have one team available. We have the New York Mets for sale. If anybody is interested in picking up the Mets, we'll do $10 if you're in the break. We'll do 15 if you're not. Other than that, I think we are all ready to go. So I will start off by showing the owners list. If anybody is interested in the Mets, hit me up on the chat. Here's the owners list. Good luck. What's up, Russell? Thanks for joining the chat. All right, here are 2 boxes of sealed Bowman's Best. We have 4 boxes, 2 mini boxes in each. 4 autos total per master box. Let's go. One of last year's prize rookies, Austin Martin, now in a Twins uniform. He got traded last year during the trades. Excuse me. Box 1, box 2, and good luck, guys. All right, first card of the break, Jacob deGrom, Andrew Vaughn, JD Martinez, Future Vibrant, Hedbert Perez from Milwaukee, not numbered, and Ryan Mountcastle. Christian Pache, Kirilloff, Joey Bart, Alec Bohm, and Mike Trout. Some good names in that pack. Vladimir Guerrero, Carson Williams, Marcelo Mayer. Whoa, let's go. Number to 10. All right, our first banger of the break. 5 out of 10. Going out to Boston. Arturo, congrats. Marcelo Mayer. Number to 10. Definitely a banger. And looks like we have our first auto. Keston Hiura, Milwaukee Braves. Good luck, Milwaukee. But that mayor is banging. Number to 10. Let's go. He is on the boxes of most products this year. So his name is gonna be he's gonna be well collected this year. He's actually on the boxes of the Bowman product that just came out, which we recently ripped already. All right, guys, off to a good start. Brady House, Bobby Witt Jr., Pedro Leon, Brady House, Future Vibrant, and Austin Martin. Wrong year, right player for Austin Martin. Last year would have been the year to collect them. Jordan. Here's a nice Andrew Vaughn die cut. That's pretty cool. Going out to the White Sox. Sleeve that one up. Alex Manoah, Spencer Howard, Freddie Freeman, and looks like we have another auto, William Contreras, Atlanta Braves. Not numbered, and Juan Soto. William, the younger brother of the Cubs, Wilson Contreras. Very nice. Realmuto, Judge, Mookie, Alex Kirilloff, Future Vibrant, and Wander Franco. Excuse me. Andres Jimenez, Bobby Dahlbeck, Perdomo. Here's a nice card. Not of Christian, well, Christian Hernandez as well. But we have an Austin Martin cracked ice. Check that out, guys. That's pretty smooth. Not numbered, but very cool nonetheless. Congrats, Minnesota. Michael M. It's a nice card. Luis Robert, Jonathan India, Rookie of the Year. Jordan Alvarez, numbered to 250. Next up, we have an auto, Reginald Prakaro, Chicago Cubs. Let's go. Hopefully he's good. Shortstop, numbered to 99. Hopefully he'll be up in the next year, couple of years for my Cubbies. and Austin Hendrick. Not gonna lie, I don't know very much about this prospect, but he's a Cub, and I'm a Cub fan, so hopefully we'll see him soon. For Seattle. Right, guys, this has been a fun rip so far. Nice looking cards. Cody, Lindor, Posey, Kerstad, and Yelich. William Contreras, Spencer Torkelson. First look at Nick Madrigal in a Cubs uniform. Last year's prospect for the White Sox. And our die cut of Henry Davis. That's a good one. He's the other athlete on the cover of the box Bowman product this year. Nice Henry Davis. Zach Veen, Cabrian Hayes, Glaber. Here's our last auto of the master box, Brent Rooker, Minnesota Twins outfielder. Minnesota's doing really well in this break. Congrats. Couple of nice cards. Nice. All right, guys, moving on to box number 2. Hopefully this is just as exciting, if not more, than the first box. The Yerminator, Yermin Mercedes, Cabrera, Donaldson, Dylan Carlson rookie, and Jared Kalenic. Kyle Lewis, Jose Barrero, and we have a Zach Veen blue number to 150. Very nice. And that's going to be followed by an auto of Yoloquai Cespedes. I don't know if you guys remember Yoenis Cespedes. He's in the family. Very nice. Nice hit for the White Sox. And Real Muto. Very nice. Jackson Merrill, Julio Rodriguez, Jazz Chisholm. Here's our cracked ice. Nice rookie for him. Excuse me. Perez and Aaron Judge. Kalinick, Realmuto, Judge. Here's a Jazz Chisholm and a Mookie Betts. Our Jazz is going to be a die cut. Mookie, Jimenez, Bobby Dahlbeck, another Jimenez, and looks like our auto is going to be Milkar Perez for the Seattle Mariners. It's a nice looking auto. Congrats, Seattle. I don't know very much about this rookie. Hopefully he turns out to be a good one. Congrats, Seattle. All right. That's what I love about Bowman products. You get them young. Luis Robert, India, Brady House, and Bobby Dahlbeck. Cody Bellinger, Francisco Lindor, Posey, Scherzer, and Perdomo. This Max Scherzer is a cracked ice. Contreras, Bachman, Nolan Arenado, numbered to 199. Luis Robert, and it looks like we have a redemption. Our redemption is going to be Akil Baddoo, Detroit Tigers. Congratulations, Detroit. Boo. We don't want no stinking redemptions. But there is one of our autos, Akil Baddoo, for the Detroit Tigers. This Arenado is really nice. All right, guys, coming down to the last four. What's up, Mark? Yes. Oh, that's right. The Atomics. That's the name for the Bowman products, the cracked ice. Atomics. Andrew Vaughn, Carlos Colomares, Future Vibrant, and Jonathan India. Brian Hayes, Gleiber, Jacob, Juan Soto, and Cody Bellinger. Andrew Vaughn, JD, Christian Pache, Francisco Lindor, and And our auto is going to be Reginald De Castro, Toronto Blue Jays. Reginald De Castro. Congratulations, Toronto. Very nice. Alright guys, last pack. We'll do a quick recap after this final pack. Kirilov, Joey Bart. Ooh, look at this. Wander Franco Masterpieces. It's not numbered, but this is the first one in 4 boxes that I've seen. So these got to be kind of rare. Then we have a Jared Klinick and a Buster Posey. Oh, this is nice. Masterpieces. What's up, Mark? Thank you. Bowman Masterpieces. What do we need? 1 in 18. Okay. Very nice. All right, guys, that'll do it. Let's do a quick recap. We'll start off our recap with this nice Wander Franco Masterpieces. Reginald De Castro for Toronto. Juan Soto, Washington. Nolan Arenado, number to 199 for St. Louis. We have a redemption for Akil Baddoo, Detroit Tigers. Max Scherzer, Atomic. Melgar Perez, Seattle. Jazz Chisholm, Miami. Another Jazz Chisholm, Atomic. Zach Veen, number to 150. Yoloquai Cespedes for the White Sox. Brent Rooker, Minnesota. Henry Davis, Pittsburgh. Reginald Preciado, Cubs. Austin Martin, Atomic from Minnesota. William Contreras, Atlanta Braves. Andrew Vaughn, White Sox. Marcelo Mayer, this is probably the card of the box of the break, number to 10. Congratulations for this one. And Keston Hira. All right, guys, that was definitely a fun break for me. Hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Mark, Russell, thanks for joining me in the chat. You guys have excuse me, have a great rest of your day and a great weekend. Take care, guys.